besides trading forex on the Deriv platform, there's other ways that you can make money on the Deriv platform. In this video, I'm going to share 4, maybe plus 5, 6, 7 ways that you can make money on the Deriv platform without besides the forex trading aspect that they actually offer. So let me head over to the Deriv website, and most people, when they are on this website, they're actually coming there to trade forex. And if you don't know what Deriv is all about, Deriv is a regulated forex broker which is commonly used with many online forex brokers to trade commodities, currencies, and things like that. But in this video, like I said, I'm not going to explain the aspect of trading, but I'm going to share some of the ways in which you can actually use to profit from this platform without placing trades, or you can actually place trades, but in addition you can perform some of these things that I need to explain, and you can be making some money. I've been using these methods as well, and I'm going to be honest with you, you can make actually good money from them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to head over to the website and then show you some of the things that you can be doing. Number one, they have what is known as Deriv partnership programs. Okay, so now the partnership programs allows you to partner with Deriv in different ways, and you can actually get a cut depending on the type of partnership. It varies the amount of money that you can actually make. So let me just head over to the section where it explains the partnership. The first partnership is the affiliate program, so let me just click on that. Now this is the affiliate program. Okay, now when it comes to the affiliate program, basically what they're saying is that you become an affiliate for Deriv, of which I am an affiliate for Deriv. So these are the details of how much you can actually get when you become an affiliate with Deriv. So basically, let me just explain what the affiliate program is and how does it work. Let me just change my color to white. So let's say you are doing this anyway. Okay, so let's say you have family and friends that are looking to trade forex. Okay, or you've been speaking to them about your amazing journey in forex trading, how you've actually started your journey in trading. And one of the things that you know that they are going to need a broker to trade forex. And then what you then have to do is to recommend Deriv. Okay, you just say, if you need a broker to trade with, use Deriv. And when you do that, when they trade and things like that, you actually get a commission. And have you ever heard when people say make money while you're asleep? If you use this concept, you'll be able to see some commissions coming in your way. I know a lot of people who actually are affiliates or are making full-time income. Okay, like they're making a lot of money from the affiliate program. So you too can participate in the affiliate program. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a link in the description below that will help you to sign up as an affiliate, so that you can actually start recommending people. So all you have to do once you create your account as an affiliate, all you have to do is to get your link. Okay, you're going to get your link, and then you start sharing around with family and friends. So there are so many best practices that you have to do as an affiliate in terms of promoting the brand. There are so many guidelines, and Deriv has got training on that on their YouTube channel. I'm going to add links and resources that can actually help you on that. So the second method that you can actually use is to become a Deriv payment agent. So I must say that becoming a Deriv payment agent is actually one of the ways in which you can actually make some money. So these are the details of who can apply, how to apply to become a Deriv agent, and things like that, and some of the frequent asked questions. But basically, let me just do that in short. Like I said, I'm an affiliate for Deriv. I do make some commissions on a daily basis, and the money comes my way. I don't want to disclose the amount. But again, the second thing that I want to talk about is the Deriv payment agent. Now, the Deriv payment agent is whereby you, as a Deriv account holder, you have to apply. Like I said, the details are there. Once you apply, the application process is a bit tough because of the requirements that they ask. Myself, I almost gave up when I was actually doing the application. Until then, they actually approved my application. And if you go on the Deriv platform, if you see a payment agent code, go down online, that is me. Now, payment agents works like this. These are people that are trusted by Deriv, or that are verified by Deriv to process deposits and withdrawals in any country. So let's say this is Kuda. Okay, this is Kuda. Okay, that's a pic. Is that a picture of me? Okay, let's say this is Kuda, and Kuda is an agent. Okay, Kuda is an agent, and there's this guy, okay, who wants to trade forex. They've created the account, but they need to deposit the money. Okay, they need to deposit, or they need to withdraw. Okay, this is the deposit sign, and they need to withdraw the money. Now what they have to do now is to say, Kuda, hey, I have $100. Okay, are you able to help me deposit this money? Now Kuda is going to say, yes, I can actually help you to deposit the money, but I need 105, I need $110. So the agent is allowed to put a commission on the deposit. Same goes with the withdrawal. The agent is also allowed to put commission on both deposits and withdrawals. So the agent will then transfer the money into this guy's account, and this guy's account will give Kuda cash in hand. So this is the best practice for people like in countries that don't have a very good banking system, or if you want to do it faster without using the bank, yes, you can actually use an agent. So as you can see that there is information here on this page that explains who can become a Deriv agent and how you can actually apply. And then again, I'm going to add a link in the direct link to this page so that you can actually read yourself. And it's another way of actually making some money. I know a lot of people who are just doing this only on Deriv and they're making good income. Okay, now the third thing that I need to speak about, this one I am not part of it, but it's another option that you can use to become to make money from the Deriv besides trading, is to become Deriv developers program. Now on the Deriv developers program, they give you their API, and then you start offering their services through their API, and when you do that, you get a cut of the money. So I understand that people that are developers, maybe they would understand this, but it's probably you starting your own maybe forex broker and things like that, but you'll be using Deriv platform, and then you can actually make some money through that. So how many ways did I explain? So far I've explained 3. Number 1 is the let me just repeat that, is the affiliate program. Number 2 is the payment agent. Number 3 is the developers program. And then number 4 that I'm going to be talking about is called Deriv DP2P. Now Deriv DP2P is what is known as peer-to-peer. Okay, that's person to person. Now we are looking at a situation like this. Let's say this is person number 1 and person number 2. Both of these people, they are Deriv clients. They are both trading on the platform, and person number 1 has made some profits. They need to withdraw the money, like they have $200. They need to withdraw. Now instead of them using Bitcoin, Visa card and other places to withdraw their money, they go on the Deriv DP2P platform. I've done a video that explains that, and you can check the link in the description. They go on the DP2P platform and say, I have got $200 that I need to withdraw. Who is available to take that money? So this guy number 2 will be wanting a deposit. Okay, they have got the money they need to deposit. So Deriv DP2P platform is going to connect these two people, and then they can do an exchange. Okay, and then they can do an exchange. This is different from a payment agent, because a payment agent basically will give you the option to transfer money directly to people, but on this platform it's a different case. Now let me explain how the money is actually made out of this. Now if you go on the platform, if someone is selling $100, like in Zimbabwe, someone is going to actually put, it's more like an auction. Someone has to bid. Okay, so someone can actually bid a rate of maybe 120. Okay, RTGS. This is actually in Zimbabwe. My rate is 120. I've got $100. Now what you do to make money out of this is that you buy this $100 at 120, and then you can go and offload it at maybe 140 or 150, whichever way, depending on the client. So it's a matter of spinning money. It's actually another way of how you can actually make money on the Deriv platform. Again, is there way number 5? I'm trying to think. Is there way number 5? I'm trying to think. Is there way number 6? I'm trying to think. So there are different ways in way you can actually make money from the Deriv platform. And in conclusion, if I missed out anything, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear how you're actually using the Deriv platform to profit from it besides trading forex as well. Some of the things that I've actually explained are the things that I do, and if you loved this video, please leave a comment in the section below, in the comment section, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends. If you have any burning questions in terms of getting started with Deriv, please I recommend you ask the question in the comment section below, and the resources for this video, again, I've actually added them in the description. With that being said, my name is Kuda, and thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.